Hello everyone, welcome back to JP Study Corner. Today we are going to see 100 basic GK questions for kids. How many days are there in a week? Right answer 7 days. What is the capital of India? Right answer New Delhi. What is a group of lion called? Right answer pride. Which fish is known as the king of fish? Right answer shark. Which state is called God's own country? Right answer Kerala. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Right answer 7 colors. How many bones are there in our face? Right answer 14. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Right answer 26 letters. When the Teachers' Day is celebrated every year? Answer 5th September. Who is known as Missile Man? Right answer APJ Abdul Kalam. In which direction does the sun rise? Right answer east. How many consonants are there in English alphabet? Right answer 21. Which is known as blue planet? Right answer Earth. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Right answer camel. How many days are there in a year? Right answer 365. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Right answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Which place is known as the roof of the world? Right answer Tibet. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Right answer Sardar Patel. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Right answer lion. How many hours do we have in a day? Right answer 24 hours. How many continents are there in the world? Right answer 7 continents. What do you call a house made of ice? Right answer igloo. What do bees give us? Right answer honey. Name the planet on which we live. Right answer Earth. Which bird lays the largest egg in the world? Right answer ostrich. How many planets are there in the solar system? Right answer 8. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Right answer Statue of Unity. What does a caterpillar turn into? Right answer butterfly. We should cross the road at the. Right answer zebra crossing. How many teeth does an adult have? Right answer 32. How many bones are there in newborn baby? Right answer 300. What color symbolizes peace? Right answer white. Which festival also known as Festival of Colors? Right answer Diwali. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Right answer Mount Everest. Who is the father of our nation? Right answer Mahatma Gandhi. Baby of dog is called? Right answer puppy. Which animal gives us wool? Right answer sheep. How many wonders do we have in the world? Right answer 7. Which is the largest bird? Right answer ostrich. Which is the largest country in the world? Right answer Russia. What is the full form of TV? Right answer television. Which is the festival of colors? Right answer Holi. Who invented computer? Right answer, Charles Babbage. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Right answer, Japan. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Right answer, Pacific Ocean. Which is the largest river on the earth? Right answer, Nile. Which festival is known as the Festival of Flowers? Right answer, Onam. How many states are there in India? Right answer, 28. Smallest country in the world? Right answer, Vatican City. Which is the largest animal in the world? Right answer, blue whale. Which is the smallest bird? Right answer, hummingbird. Name the world's largest city. Right answer, London. Which is called the Queen of Hills? Right answer, Ooty. Who discovered electric bulb? Right answer, Thomas Alva Edison. A male donkey is called? Right answer, Jack. Fastest land animal in the world? Right answer, cheetah. How many sides are there in triangle? Right answer, 3 sides. Which insect has colorful wings? Right answer, butterfly. Which month has least number of days? Right answer, February. The largest flower in the world? Right answer, Rafflesia. How many bones do we have in total? Right answer, 206. How many lungs does the human body have? Right answer, 2. How many players are there in a cricket team? Right answer, 11. Who invented the telephone? Right answer, Alexander Graham Bell. Which animal has 3 hearts? Right answer, Pacific octopus. How many weeks are there in 1 year? Right answer, 52. How many vowels are there in English alphabet? Right answer, 5. A, E, I, O, U. Name the dark continent in the world. Right answer, Africa. Which acid is in lemon juice? Right answer, citric acid. How many primary colors are there in? Right answer, 3. Red, green, blue. Which is the hardest mineral? Right answer, diamond. Which is the largest continent? Right answer, Asia. Which is the smallest continent? Right answer, Australia. Which animal guards our house? Right answer, dog. What is a group of lions called? Right answer, pride. The smallest flower in the world? Right answer, Olphia. Which is the biggest water snake? Right answer, anaconda. How many kidneys do you have? Right answer, 2. Name the biggest island in the world. Right answer, Greenland. The fastest growing plants in the world. The right answer, bamboo. Which organ helps us to breathe? Right answer, lungs. The bird that can swim but cannot fly. The right answer, penguin. Which is used to measure the temperature of a human body? The right answer, thermometer. Which animal has the longest horn? The right answer, buffalo. When is World Environment Day observed? Right answer 5th June. Name the planet nearest to the Earth. Right answer Mercury. Which is the birthplace of Jesus Christ? Right answer Bethlehem. What is the standard taste of water? Right answer water is tasteless. Who was called the Lion of Punjab? Right answer Lala Lajpat Rai. Name the lightest gas. Right answer helium. Name a longest cave temple in India. Right answer Ellora. Which is fast, light or sound? Answer light. Which place in India is called Pink City? Right answer Jaipur. Name the mammal that flies. Right answer bat. Which is known as laughing gas? Right answer nitrous oxide. Which is the tallest animal on the earth? Right answer giraffe. Where does fish live? Right answer water. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Right answer Neil Armstrong. Who found sea route to India? Right answer Vasco da Gama. What is a baby frog called? Right answer tadpole. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you.